Welcome to Crash Course, the basics of the top tech startups to watch. In this video, we will explore the most promising tech startups that are making waves in the industry. Join us to get an exclusive glimpse into their innovative products, disruptive technologies, and their impact on various sectors. Our first startup to watch is XYZ Tech. Established in 2015, XYZ Tech has revolutionized the field of artificial intelligence with its cutting-edge algorithms and machine learning capabilities. They have developed advanced solutions for the healthcare industry, improving diagnostics and treatment outcomes. Let's take a closer look at their impressive achievements. Next on our list is ABC Robotics, a startup that specializes in robotics and automation. With their state-of-the-art robotic systems, ABC Robotics is driving efficiency and productivity in industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and smart cities. Get ready to witness their groundbreaking inventions and game-changing applications. PQR Biotech, our third featured startup, is making significant strides in the field of biotechnology. Their innovative research and breakthrough discoveries have the potential to revolutionize healthcare, agriculture, and environmental sustainability. Discover their extraordinary contributions to the world of science. As we conclude our crash course on the top tech startups to watch, we hope you enjoyed this overview of their groundbreaking work. Stay tuned for more updates on their journey and the incredible innovations they continue to bring to the ever-evolving world of technology.